how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, at the top right corner, click on the messenger icon. Next, tap on the particular friend's username to open the chat screen. Here, long press on the message that you want to delete. A few options will appear. Click on the unsend option. This will remove the chat from both sides. You can also delete the chat in another way with a small trick. In the chat screen, swipe up to activate the vanish mode. Now continue chatting with your friend. Next, again swipe up to exit the vanish mode, and this will delete the chat from both sides, and that's it. So that's basically how you can delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.